So my drone's up about 25 meters into the tree, so we got these guys trying to go up and get it for, they said to climb up there for 500 baht. So they got the ropes and they're serious. We've been at this for hours, so they had to wait till they got off work, and now they're at it. So the drone is way, way up there. I caught the branch and it pulled it and it flipped and it landed up right on the nook of that little tree branch. And so you can see how high it is. So they're getting set. These are some country boys that grew up on the farm, so but it's way, way up there. We tried throwing rocks and sticks and we tried everything. So we're manually going up. We got a whole production here and there. All got to roll your own cigarettes. So he's about halfway up now. I don't know if you can see him way up there. He's almost there.
Kinh quân mà niêu rồi. Kinh quân niêu mấy cái.
Niêu hả? Bỏ bùi làm mà thêm.
Để ra mình mà đặt tiền rồi này. Bị chú mà tối ช้า rồi.
ใช่ค่ะตั้งแต่เช้า
So he shook the branch and it fell down and I actually caught it in the air. So here's my drone. One arm's broken on it, so I think I can fix it though. At least I have it, so he's coming on down. So 15 bucks for this guy to climb up the tree and get my drone. That's crazy. He had about 15 guys out here shouting at him the whole time. They're all out here smoking a cigarette. All the assistants. There he is. This guy is the, it's a climbing man right here. Pay him $15. $15. So, kapona kap.